So in this lab, I'm going to explain how to find the rank of matrix by reducing the echelon form. So I'll be explaining how to find the rank of 4 by 4 matrix. So what is the question I've taken is 1, 2, minus 1 and 2, 2, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 1. These are the values I have taken. So we have to find the rank of the 4 by 4 matrix. So it is an important question which might be asked in the examination. So please listen it. So first of what I'm doing is I'm writing the question as it is. So to find the rank of matrix using echelon form, what need to be done is the lower triangle should be zeros. Termed as zero. So here we have to turn it as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we have to make it as zeros. So for this, what we have to do, we have to apply row operations. So what I'm going to do is, I'm applying row transformation for row 2, row 3, row 4 using R1. So I'm going to do this now. So first is R2 is 2, right? R1 is 1 into 2, 2. 2 minus 2 will be 0. So we have to do like this. R2 is R2 minus 2R1. R3 is minus 1 plus 1 is 0, right? R3 is R3 plus R1. R4 is 2. So R4 is R4 minus 2R1. So we have to do like this. We have to perform a row operations. So be online. Give me 2 minutes. So sorry for the delay. So what we are going to do, we are going to apply the row transformations. So row 2 is R2 minus 2R1. Row 3 is row 3 plus row 1. Row 4 is R4 minus 2R1. So as we perform row operations for R2, R3 and R4, what we are going to do, we are going to write R1 as it is. That is 1, 2, minus 1 and 2. So here R2 is R2 minus 2R1, right? So 2, 1 into 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 will be 0. So and R3 is, so next R2 is 2 minus 2R1. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. And again 1 minus into minus plus 1 2 is 2. So 1 minus 1 plus 2 is 1. And again 1. Row 1 is 2, right? Into 2, 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So we have applied row transformation for row 3. That is R3 plus R1. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And here it is 1 plus 2. So here it is minus 1, sorry. Minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. So now row 4. So what we are going to do for row 4? Row 4 is row 4 minus 2R1, right? So row 4, that this is 2 minus 2R1. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2 will be 0. 1 minus 2 twos are 4. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So here again minus 1 into minus into minus plus, right? So plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Again 1. So 2R1 is 1 minus 4. That is minus 3. So we got the matrix as 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 0, minus 2, 1, minus 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 minus 3, 1, 3. What I said you earlier, the lower triangle should be 0. So already we got zeros over here. We need to get 0 here and here, here. So now we have to perform row operations for R3 and R4. What we are going to do now? We are going to write R1 and R2 as it is and performing row 3 and row 4 operations using R2. So I'm going to write like this. Row 3 is, uh, if you clearly observe, row 3 is 1, right? If we multiply with 2, we'll be getting like 2 minus 2 is 0. So what we are going to do, row 3 tends to 2 row 3 plus R2 because already we are having minus over here. So R3 is 2 R3 plus row 2. So if you clearly observe, here it is minus 3, right? 3 twos are 6 and 2 threes are 6. So 2R4 minus 3R2. So again, what we have to do, we have to write first 10 rows as it is. That is 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 0, minus 2, 1, minus 3. So here when we clearly observe row 2, right? So 2 row 3, that is 2 minus 2 is 0. So 0 into 2 is 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. And again 2 row 3 is 2, right? Into 2, right? 2 minus 3, then we'll be getting as minus 1. So what we are going to do for again for row 4 we have to do, right? So here 6 minus 6 will be 0. So row 4 is 2, right? 1 2s are 2 minus 4 minus 3 because 3 are 2, right? So minus 1 will be getting, and minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. We can write here minus 6. Again minus into minus plus 9. Minus 6 plus 9 is 3. So after that we got the matrix as 1 2 minus 1 2 0 minus 2 1 minus 3 0 0 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 1 3. So if we clearly observe, we got zeros over here, zeros over here, zeros over. So here we need to get 0. So then it will be turned, lower triangle will be zeros. So what we are going to do? Suppose if we are perform row operations for with R2 and R1, these zeros will be disturbed. What we have to do? We have to make these term only 0. What we are going to do? We are going to perform row operation for R3 and R4. So R3 should be remain as it is. R4 should be done with the row operation. So what I'm going to do? It is easy, right? So minus 1 plus 1 will be 0 automatically. So what I'm going to write over here is R4 tends to R4 plus R3. Because no need of changing anything over here. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. So what I'm going to do here, I'm writing 1, 2, 3 rows as it is. That is 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 0, minus 2, 1, minus 3, 0, 0, 1, minus 1. So here, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, right? 0, 0, 0. So 3 minus 1, what will be getting? 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So if you can clearly observe, all these terms are zeros. So now we are going to find rank of matrix, right? This sum is to find a rank of matrix. For to find the rank of matrix, what we have to see? We have to see how many number of non-zeros are there in a matrix. So clearly, when we clearly observe, so this is not a zero. This is also a non-zero because 2 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the number of non-zero rows over here? It is 4. So if the number of non-zero rows equals to 4, then rank of matrix will be 4. Because rank of matrix will be defined as the number of non-zero rows in a matrix. So for this, the rank of matrix will be 4. So next sum what I'm going to explain is reduce the matrix to echelon form and find the rank of matrix. So we are going to reduce this matrix in the form of echelon form, and after the reducing it to echelon form, we are going to find the rank of matrix. So the question I have taken is minus 1, minus 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 5, 2, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 1. So as I already said previously, if we want to reduce the echelon form, the lower triangle should be 0. So we need to get 0 over here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All these terms should be 0. Then it will be reduced to echelon form. So what we are going to do now, we are going to apply the row transformations. So we have to perform row transformations for row 2, row 3 and row 4 using row 1. So row 1 should be written as it is. What we are going to, when you clearly observe, row 2 is 1, row 1 is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. What I am going to write? Row 2 is row 2 plus R1. So when we clearly observe here, row 3 is 2, right? So if we multiply 1 into 2, we will be getting 2. 2 minus 2 will be 0. So row 3 is row 3 plus 2R1. So next row 4. Row 4 is also easy. Row 4 is row 4 plus row 1 because row 4 minus row 1 because here it is minus 1 and minus 1. So minus 1 minus of minus 1 will be 0, right? So row 4 minus row 1. So as I said earlier, we have to write the first row as it is. So second row is 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. 0 plus 1 is 1. Again, so 2 minus 2 is 0 because row 3 is row 3 plus 2R1. So here it is minus 3. 3 2s are 6. Minus, see, minus 5 minus 3 2s are 6. So minus 5 minus 6 will be 11. And again 2. So 2 plus 3 2s are 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. And again here minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So now we are going to apply for row 4, right? So row 4 is easy. Row 4 plus row 1. So row 4 minus row 1. So minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 3 is 4. 0 minus 3 will be minus 3 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So now the matrix formed as minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 3 1 0 minus 2 2 1 0 minus 11 8 minus 1 0 4 minus 3 0. So if you clearly observe, this column is 0 0. Now we have to make 0 over here and 0 0. These three should be 0. So to reduce to echelon form. So here first and second row should be written as it is because we are finding rank of matrix and using reducing echelon form. First we are reducing to echelon form and then finding a rank of matrix, right? So here first and second row should be written as it is. We have to perform row operations for R3 and R4 using R2. So what I'm going to do is R3, right? So R3 is 2R3 minus 11 R2 because 11 twos are 22, 2 11s are 22. So 2R3 minus 11R2. Row 4 is 4 minus 4 into 2. So row 4 is row 4 plus 2R2. So first and second row should be written as it is. That is minus 1 minus 3 3 1 0 minus 2 2 1. So 0 0. So if you clearly observe, R3 is 2 R3, right? So 8 2s are 16 minus 11 3s are 30. So here we'll be getting minus 6. And again here we'll be getting minus 2 minus 11 is minus 13. So for row 4, 0 0. And again minus 3 plus 4. So that is 1. 0 plus 2 is 2. So finally the matrix is minus 1 minus 3 3 1 0 minus 2 2 1 0 0 minus 6 minus So minus 13. So if we clearly observe, we got 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 over here. So we have to turn this as 0. So one thing we have to observe over here is, suppose if we have performed row operation with row 2 or row 1, these terms will be disturbed. So we have to make here 0. So we are going to perform row operations for row 4. So using R3 we have to perform. So that is R4 is 6R4 plus R3. So first, second and third row should be written as it is. So that is minus 1, minus 3, 3, 1, 0, minus 2, 2, 1, 0, 0, minus 6, minus 13. So row 4 is 6R4 plus R3, right? 0, 0 should be written as it is. 1, so 6 minus 6 is 0. 2, 6 are 12. 12 minus 13 is minus 1. So if you clearly observe, lower triangle is all are zeros. So here we have reduced this matrix into echelon form. So next step, what is that? We have to find the rank of matrix after reducing to echelon form. As we all clearly know that rank of matrix termed as a number of non-zero rows in a matrix. So we have to check how many number of non-zero rows are there in our matrix which we have taken. So here it is 1 row, 2 row, 3 and 4. 4 rows. Number of non-zero rows are 4. Hence rank of matrix will be 4. This is the answer. This is the way to find the rank of matrix by reducing the echelon form. So I hope it is clear. If you're having any questions, you can ask me in the chat session. I'll be answering. So Victor Fraga, you asked what is this? Actually, this is a way to find the rank of matrix by reducing the echelon form. Hi DK Queen. If you are having any questions, you can drop me in the chat session. I'll be answering. If you want any other videos, you can also mention in the chat session. I'll be doing a videos on that and I'll be uploading in my channel. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is PLS Mathematics, where I'm uploading mathematics videos of class 10th, intermediate and BTech. So if you want mathematics topics also, I'll be explaining you. I'll be doing a videos. Mention the topics in the chat session. I'll be happy to do a videos on this. Write in the chat session what topics you want me to do. As we already know, board exams are coming in Feb or March for intermediate and mathematics. If you want me to do an important questions, also I'm ready to do. Just drop me the important topics or questions which you want me to upload or do on mathematics. So I'll be clearly explaining the topics, and you can also check into my YouTube channel where I've uploaded these rank of matrix clearly. You can watch that. In the meanwhile, if you're having any questions, I'm ready to answer. You can ask me in the comment session, chat session. If you're having any questions, you can ask. I'll be answering. If you want any other topics, you can also mention in the chat session. I'll be doing a videos. So I'll be doing the videos for class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th till BTech. So this is echelon form BTech question, and even it is intermediate M1 intermediate mathematics sum row echelon form, and even I have done a Cramer's method also, and I've uploaded in my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel PLS Mathematics. So if you want any topics also, you can mention in the comment section. I'll be doing a videos on that. I'll be doing the important questions from tomorrow. I'm going to upload the important questions which are going to be asked in the board examination. Just drop me a important question, important topics, so that I can do a videos on that. Any class, any standard six, for both SSC, CBSE, and ICSE, I can do. Just drop me the topics so that I can do a video. It will be helpful to me. And even if you're having any questions, you can ask me in the chat session. I'll be answering you. You can comment the important topics. If you are studying BTech or intermediate or 10, no problem. I'll be doing a videos for everyone. So just give me the important topic so that I can do a video from tomorrow. So from tomorrow, I'll be uploading three videos, one for 10 standard, inter, and BTech. Important questions. If you want other topics also, I can do it like aptitude and reasoning. Aptitude questions also I'm going to upload in my channel, and even the what are the questions which will be asked in the Amazon for interview. So aptitude questions, I'll be doing a video on that also. Just give me the important topics which you want me to upload in my channel. I'll be doing a videos from tomorrow. Just mention the important topics in the chat session. So one of my subscriber asked me to do a video on a 4 by 4 rank of matrix and 4 by 4 determinant matrix. So I have done a videos and I've uploaded in my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel PLS Mathematics. It's completely a mathematics channel where I'm uploading every topic of mathematics of class 10th, intermediate, and BTech. If you're having any question, any other questions also, I'll be ready. I'm ready to answer. Just write in the comment section. We're having 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, I'm going to end the live. In the meanwhile, you can ask me the questions. Just give me the topic so that I can do a video. Anyways, I'll be doing the important questions. No problem. Hi, DK Queen. Hope you're doing good. Hi, Victor Fragger. Victor underscore Fragger. Hi. I hope you people are doing good. If you want any other topics, you can tell me. I'll be explaining you. Just write in the comment section on the chat box. I'll be doing this. We'll wait for 7 more minutes and we'll end the live here. So within 7 minutes, you can ask me any questions. I'll be answering. I'll be answering for sure. Hi guys, thank you for joining my live. If you're having any questions, you can ask me. I'll be answering in the chat session. So I request you all to please subscribe my channel PLS Mathematics, where I'm uploading a mathematics videos for class 10th, class 9, 6, 7th, intermediate and BTech. If you want me to upload any other topics, you can mention in the chat session. I'll be doing that. If you are having any other topics, suggest me. I'll be doing a videos on that also, like different topics, not related to max. If you want me to do videos on any other topic or any other like food challenges, like vlogs or everything, I'll be doing that. Just mention in the chat session. Within 4 minutes, we are going to end our live session. So if you're having any questions, write in the chat session. I'll be ready to answer the questions. Thank you everyone who have joined my live. If you're having any questions, ask me in the chat session. So write in the chat how many of you love mathematics. ఎంతమందికి మ్యాథ్స్ అంటే ఇష్టం? చాట్ లో చెప్పండి. మ్యాథ్స్ అంటే ఎంతమందికి ఇష్టమో, ఎంతమందికి ఇష్టం లేదో మెన్షన్ చేయండి. మనం చెక్ చేద్దాం మ్యాథ్స్. సో మీరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారో కూడా అది కూడా మెన్షన్ చేయండి. మ్యాథ్స్ అంటే ఎంతమందికి ఇష్టమో, ఎంతమందికి ఇష్టం లేదో కూడా చాట్‌లో చెప్పండి. సో ఏదైతే వేరే టాపిక్స్ దేని మీద అయినా నేను వీడియో చేయాలంటే కూడా మీరు చాట్‌లో చెప్తే నేను దాన్ని బట్టి వీడియోస్ అనేది చేస్తాను. ఎలానా బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వెషన్స్ చేస్తాను. రేపటి నుంచి ఇంటర్మీడియేట్, 10థ్, బీటెక్ వాళ్ళకి ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వెషన్స్ అన్నీ అప్‌లోడ్ చేయబోతున్నాను నా ఛానెల్‌లో. నా ఛానెల్ పిఎల్ఎస్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. సో అది సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని పెట్టుకోండి. Please subscribe to my channel. మొత్తం వీడియోస్ అనేది అన్నీ అప్లోడ్ చేశాను. ఈ సమ్ కూడా నేను ఆల్రెడీ అప్లోడ్ చేశాను నా ఛానల్‌లో. మొత్తం స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి. క్లియర్‌గా ఎక్స్‌ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను ప్రాసెస్ అనేది ఎక్లాన్ ఫార్మ్‌ది. సో, ఇప్పుడుకి మనం లైవ్ అనేది ఎండ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో, థాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీవన్ హూ హావ్ జాయిన్డ్ మై లైవ్. థాంక్ యూ. థాంక్ యూ. థాంక్ యూ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్ మై లైవ్. థాంక్ యూ.